Good morning, class. Now, today I am going to tell you about elements, compound and mixture. This is your chapter 3. In the previous video, I have told you about elements. Elements are the pure substances and they are represented by symbols. For example, carbon is represented by C, aluminum is represented by Al, nitrogen by N, etc. Now today I am going to tell you about compound. Compound is also a pure substance. Compound is formed by combination of two or more elements chemically or physically in a fixed ratio. For example, water is formed by a combination of hydrogen and oxygen in a proportion of 2 and 1, but in 2 and 1 ratio of volume. Hydrogen molecules, hydrogen atoms present, 2 atoms are present in water and 1 atoms of oxygen present in water. So water is formed by combination of hydrogen and oxygen in a fixed ratio 1 and 2, hydrogen 2 and oxygen in 1. And other example, carbon dioxide formula is CO2. In the carbon dioxide, they formed by combination of 1 carbon atom and 2 oxygen atom. After the formation of compound, they lose their property of elements. Here some compounds names are given: carbon dioxide, water, sodium chloride, that is common salt, methane, ammonia, sodium sulfate and calcium oxide. And their constituent, carbon dioxide is made up of carbon and oxygen. Carbon and oxygen is present in carbon dioxide and their formula is CO2. And the number of atom in one molecule is 1 carbon atom and 2 oxygen atom is present in carbon dioxide. In water, constituent of water is hydrogen and oxygen and the formula is H2O. And the number of atoms, 2 hydrogen atom and 1 oxygen atom present in water. Another, sodium chloride, that is common salt जो हम अपने घर में यूज करते हैं, नमक. Constituent of sodium chloride is sodium and chlorine and their formula is NaCl. 1 sodium atom and 1 chlorine atom is present in our common salt. Methane, carbon and hydrogen is the constituent of methane and their formula is CH4. 1 carbon atom and 4 hydrogen atoms present in a methane compound. Now ammonia, constituent of ammonia is nitrogen and hydrogen. NH3 is the formula, 1 nitrogen atom and 3 hydrogen atoms present in ammonia. Sodium sulfate constituents are sodium, sulfur and oxygen and their formula is Na2SO4. Na2 means 2 sodium atoms are present, 1 sulfur atom and 4 oxygen atom is present in sodium sulfate. Now calcium oxide. Calcium and oxygen is the constituent of calcium oxide and the formula is CaO. 1 calcium atom and 1 oxygen atom is present in calcium oxide. Now, the smallest unit of compound is a molecule. A molecule exhibits all the properties of the compound. The molecules of compound contains atoms of different elements. For example, 1 atom of carbon combines to form with 2 atoms of oxygen form a carbon dioxide. Now, another is mixture. Mixture is a impure substance. It is made up of two or more elements or compound mixed together to form a mixture. Either it is made up of element or made up of compound, or both are present in a mixture. For example, lemonade. Lemonade is made up of sugar and water. And the another example is air. In the air, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor and other gases are present in the air. So air is a mixture, and nitrogen, oxygen, carbon and vapor are the constituent of the air. A mixture has no definite set of properties. Its properties depends upon the proportion of the constituent in which they are mixed together. Properties of mixtures are changed by the changing the proportion of this constituent. For example, in a sugar solution, the concentration of sugar and water can be different according to our taste. कभी-कभी हम लेमोनेड बनाने में बहुत ज़्यादा शुगर यूज़ कर सकते हैं, और किसी को कम मीठा पीना है तो वो कम शुगर भी यूज़ करता है. तो मिक्सचर में हमें कंस्टिट्यूएंट की कंसंट्रेशन पे डिपेंड करता है कि कैसा हमें मिक्सचर बनाना है. मिल्क इज अ मिक्सचर ऑफ फैट, कार्बोहाइड्रेट, प्रोटीन, साल्ट, विटामिन एंड water. We can have low fat milk by decreasing the concentration of fats in it. Now the difference between mixture and compound. Sir, please. Now, difference between compound and mixture. See, first one, compound, they are pure substances, and mixtures, they are impure substances. Second, compound involves a chemical reaction between two or more substances, and mixture is formed by combination of two or more substances. Third characteristic, the substances are combined in a certain fixed ratio. In mixture, they can mix in any proportion. As I have told you, water is formed in a fixed proportion, like hydrogen and oxygen is present in a proportion of 2 and 1. So compound is formed by a combination of fixed ratio, and mixture is formed in any proportion. Fourth, compound cannot broken down in their individual components through physical means. के constituent को तोड़ा नहीं जा सकता है physically, but in mixture can be separated by physical means. इनको physically mixture को separate किया जा सकता है इनके constituents से. Fifth one, properties are different from the constituent. Compounds जो बनते हैं उनकी properties उनके constituents की properties से डिफरेंट होती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वाटर जो कि कंपाउंड है H2O, उसकी प्रॉपर्टी अलग होती है, उसके कंस्टिट्यूएंट हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन की प्रॉपर्टी से डिफरेंट होती है. बट इन मिक्सचर प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ कंस्टिट्यूएंट आर रिटेन. उनकी प्रॉपर्टीज को दोबारा से प्राप्त किया जा सकता है, पर कंपाउंड में उनकी उस प्रॉपर्टीज को दोबारा से रिटेन नहीं किया जा सकता. एग्जाम्पल ऑफ कंपाउंड इज वाटर एंड रस्ट. An example of mixture is honey and milk. Now, the types of mixture. There are two types of mixtures are present here: homogeneous mixture and a heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture are formed by a mixture with uniform composition in which components cannot be seen separately are called homogeneous mixture. They mix uniformly and not seen by the eyes. For example, water and milk, ice-free, sugar solution are the homogeneous mixture, and the heterogeneous mixture do not have uniform composition and in which the components can be seen separately is called a heterogeneous heterogeneous mixture. For example, mixture of oil and water. Oil and water के mixture में आप oil को देख सकते हैं, ऊपर एक लेयर होती है ऑयल की और water उसके नीचे होता है. So in mixture, oil and water are not mixed uniformly. And the mixture of salt and sand. In the salt and mixture, you can see the salt and sand separately. Now I would like to conclude my video. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Thank you.